What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Aaliyah, and I have a special guest today. I have my little sis, Akila. Hey, y'all.
I am so excited for this year's game. We have a lot of stuff, as y'all can see, and I'm just ready to put it together so I can win this year. Okay,
We're playing the Saran Wrap Ball Game. We do this every year. It's an annual game for us on Christmas Day. I'm the one who brought it to the family. I saw it online, and now we just do it every year. So we're back 2025. This is all the stuff we have today. We're going to show y'all how we put it together, and y'all got to stay tuned to see how our ball comes in. All right, y'all, let's get into it.
All right, y'all. So over here we have the candy section.
Y'all see that? We have candy and just a little bit of snacks like fruit snacks. Y'all see these little bars, some juicy boxes.
Next, we have the self-care section over here.
Okay. We got Kleenex, Carmex. We got hand sanitizers, wipes.
Then we got the money on, y'all.
This is the best part, y'all. We have lottery tickets, some more lottery tickets. Got Chick-fil-A gift cards, Cane's gift cards.
Yes, y'all. And then we have some more self-care over here, too.
You gotta get your first aid. This is stuff, we're doing stuff that's practical, so people will actually use it throughout the year rather than just snacks. Our first year we did a lot of snacks, but nobody really likes candy anymore.
We're getting too old for that.
We are. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much everything. Take a good look. Still some ideas on what to put in your ball. We have lip gloss. There's a lot of girls. We love lip gloss. Gotta stay moisturized. We have fuzzy socks. Just a little bit of everything, for real. Everybody's gonna win something,
Everyone's a winner.
Everyone's a winner over here. And this year, we went to Costco and we got a big box of Saran Wrap. We're not doing 4 or 5 boxes. We're doing one big.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I gotta get close to y'all because this is a secret. My family cannot know this. We're doing a twist to the game. So usually once you get towards the end, everybody's unwrapping, and then you get to an item and then it'll have the money in it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our grand prize in here, which is $40 this year. It's our grand prize this year, so we're gonna put it in here, but we're gonna make a tiny separate ball so that when they think the game is over and they get to this, whoever opens it, right, psych, it says not over yet. And then on the back, game not over. So nobody knows this. So whoever wins only wins for like 1 minute. Well, until they open the box. And then we're going to pull out the actual prize ball. And then we're going to keep going. But it's going to be small, okay? So let's get started, y'all. round shape, because you see it started off as something flat. We're gonna just add things on top that make it round and start packing stuff around it.
Go outside, it rains, leave when our bodies meet.
So this right here is the ball with the money, and because it's a secret.
It's a secret. Don't tell anybody. It's gonna be so fun, y'all. So we're gonna put this one to the side, and now we're gonna make the ball with all of these items in it. Remember I said we open this and they think they win, so we're gonna put some candy to cover it up so they think the money is hidden under there. That one's gonna be easier to wrap because it's already in like a square shape, so it'll make the ball easy.
Yeah, come on. Let's go. Say what, say what? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Baby, they'll see you're the only person there's so much more. Say what? You know what? Waiting for you in store. On this precious day, I can gladly say there's no place that I'd rather be.
Y'all, we got a purse in there too. I said go big or go home this year. It's gonna get bigger every year. So guys, when you're doing the ball, you want to space it out. You don't want to put candy and prizes in every single wrap. You want to put some wraps with just plastic. We're doing like 5 layers of just plastic so that you think you're about to get a prize, but you're not. We got to keep the game juicy and intense. If everybody's getting a prize every second, what's the fun of the game? Some people need to miss out on a couple rounds. That's just how I see it. Some people got to miss out. But if you feel like, oh, everybody needs to get a gift every time, then do it how you want to. But I love a good competition.
Tell me if you're really there.
y'all, we're still going at it. I think this is bigger than our ball from last year.
Absolutely.
But
Gotta catch it. Remember the video we did? That hurt.
sorry.
Oh my god, something sharp in there.
And we still have a lot more to go. It's really a lot of candy.
Yeah.
So we're almost to the end. We're almost to the end, y'all.
If you're really there, don't make me fall in love again. If you won't be here next year, Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. If it won't be here, tell me,
All right, y'all. So we are finally finished with the ball. Look at it.
It's
so heavy.
guys. The biggest one yet.
Y'all, let us know if this tutorial helped y'all on how to make your Saran Wrap ball game. Let us know if there's any tips you need, anything else you want to know. Leave it in the comments. We got our mini ball. Shh. But yes, guys, stay tuned for the video.
Pop it with your pop, with your pop it with your pop, pop, pop.